Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I post the videos related to tech updates, job updates, internship updates, and free course. So if you don't want to miss such opportunities, make sure to subscribe to my channel and on the notification bell so you never miss out any opportunities from my channel. And also follow my social media handles for more. So today I'm back with internship opportunity from AICTE web. So in this website you can find both paid, unpaid internship. So this is a website which is associated with government. So in this portal you can find internship from various companies, like here you can find the company name. Okay, even from Google also you can get internship here, and it is associated with AICTE and Ministry of Education. So here you can find some recently posted internship. Click on that, and here you can find various internships, both tech, non-tech, everything you can find in this portal. And here you can click on internship type. Here you can find full-time role which you can spend full time, and virtual internship means online internship, part-time, upskilling or training program also you can find. And stipend type, you can find paid internship and unpaid internship. Paid internship means for the one which you don't have to pay, means the company will pay you for this. And unpaid internship means neither you nor the company will pay. And you can also select based on your locations. So let's select virtual internship, stipend type, paid internship. Location let's keep as it is. So here you can find non-tech. This is non-tech internship, and this is tech internship. In similar way you can find both non-tech and tech internship. So those who are interested for tech can go with tech, and those who are interested with non-tech, they can go with non-tech. So here you can find the internship related to campus ambassador, cyber security. Those who are interested on cyber security, they can go with cyber security. Sales, those who are interested on web development, they can go with that. Also you can do freelancing, marketing intern, aircraft design. So anyone from any field can apply for this. And if you click on next, you will find more. So this website is not only for tech but also for non-tech. So this website is not only for tech students, it is also for non-tech students. So let me show you how you can apply for an internship here. So let's go with this. So AI machine learning intern. This is virtual internship, and it is paid or unpaid based on your performance. But some will be there which you will get paid, like 8,000 per month, 5,000 per month. You can see, right? So let's go with this paid internship first. And the good thing is you can apply by 28 October. So you have much time, but number of openings is 197. So you need to apply as soon as possible, because those who apply early, they might have more chances of getting shortlisted. First come, first serve basis. If they choose, you'll be in the list. Okay. So let's go with this. Click on view details. So here is the internship details. So the internship role is data analyst, Young Minds Technology Solution Private Limited. This is the company name. And before applying for any internship, just check with their websites if you can, and also the LinkedIn profile, so that if there is some scams, you can know it earlier. Okay. And you can learn about the program here. And the perks, what you'll get certificate and recognition, internship completion certificate, letter of recommendation for top performance. Everyone won't get, but the top performance will get letter of recommendation. That is, they'll recommend you, so you performed well. So by this letter, like if anyone see this letter, you'll have more chance of getting into their organization. And appreciation awards for outstanding contributors. Next, who can apply? Those who are from BTech, BE or equivalent can apply, and specialization from any and are available for the duration of 6 months, have relevant skills and interests can apply. And here you can see terms of engagement, attendance and leave. Interns must maintain regular attendance is mandatory. Leave policy will be as per company norms. Example, 1 or 2 leaves per month is allowed. And performance evaluation, intern performance will be evaluated based on task completion, code quality, learning ability, communication, and teamwork. Number of openings, 197. Just click on I'm not a robot, and then you can click on apply now here. Click you're a student, confirm. Then give your email and password if you already have account, or if you don't have account, you can click on register and you can fill these details. And how to fill these details I have already discussed in my previous videos. You can check out those videos. So in this video you can find the complete registration process. I'll give in the description, or you can find it from the I button here. And once you get selected for the internship, you can watch this video. So that's all for today's video. If you have any doubts regarding this video or any other videos from my channel, just let me know in the comment box. And if you found this video helpful, please like, hype, and share this with your friends, because it really motivates me to bring such genuine opportunities for you. And don't forget to subscribe. See you next video. Till then, keep learning. Bye bye.